Statistical data can be presented in a variety of ways. We have studied in past lessons how histograms, line graphs, pie charts, and a variety of other representations can be used to display data to others. We can often find these graphics in media, whether it is on TV, advertisements, or social media. It is important to be critical of these graphics, though, as sometimes they can be misleading. Misleading graphs can also be called distorted graphs. These are misrepresented data, intentional or unintentionally, that can lead viewers to draw incorrect conclusions from the data. These graphs can be misleading due to poor construction. They can also be created to lead viewers to a certain conclusion to support a specific viewpoint. The next slides will discuss some of the examples of misleading graphs found in media. This graphic may only be recognized as misleading upon a close inspection. It is important to ensure all data is represented in a graphic and not only the data that supports what the author wants to show. Looking at the horizontal axis, we can see that the data points for 1993, 1996, and 1998 are not included. We, as critical viewers, should be questioning why these points were excluded. Did they not follow the trend of hurricanes increasing in the 1990s? Because of this missing data, this graphic is considered misleading. This next graphic is from a news network. Based on the heights of the bars, it looks like this is a huge increase from now to January 1st. Upon a close inspection, there is really only a 4.6% increase. The large visual difference is due to the vertical, or y-axis, starting at 34 instead of 0. This creates the illusion of a bigger difference between the two bars. These graphics should have a y-axis that begins with a scale at 0. This graphic shows the average monthly temperature. It is a completely accurate portrayal. This graph was used, though, as a way to verify global warming and the temperature increase. This is misleading, though, because there is only data from January to July of a single year. Of course, the temperature will rise as the seasons change from winter to summer. This graphic is misleading as it excludes the data that could show a decrease in temperature from July and December. It does also not contain enough data to show global warming as it is only over a half-year period. This advertisement uses a graphic to show that their brand is better than their competitors. What is missing, though? There are no scales included in this graphic. It looks that the Lanacane works much better than its competitor. Without scales, though, we have no idea what this graphic is really showing us. All graphics should contain a scale to inform the viewer what it is that the data is showing. This graphic uses a pie chart to show the support of the GOP presidential candidates. It looks that Palin is in the lead with 70% backing her. Upon a closer inspection, the percentages in this graph add up to over 100%. Pie charts should only add up to 100% total between all the parts and the slices it is broken up into. The creator of this graphic chose the incorrect graphic to display the data. We must be sure that we choose the proper graphics to display what we are showing. As mathematicians, future professionals, and citizens of the United States, it is important that we can create graphics that are not misleading and that we critically view all graphics that are presented to us. When creating graphics to represent statistical data and when analyzing graphics that are shown to us, be sure that there are appropriate labels on all graphics. All data is included. We use the appropriate type of representation for the data we collected, and that all scales are appropriate and start from 0 on the y-axis.